Hello everyone. Today we are gonna learn that what's the concept of economy, like what economy actually means and how it actually works. So that's something which is different from the textbook definition. So you will usually found that in textbook there are a lot of jargons that demand supply and there are a lot of terms that is being used. So we are gonna look into what's the fundamental concept of economy. So how this real world operates or how this real world moves. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what's an economy? How it works in this real world? So what's the harsh truth about the economy or the concept of economy? So when we are thinking about economy, think of it as a resource system. So you can think about it like this earth has limited amount of natural resources, or you can think about like you have $100 of cash to spend on. Now, the concept is that in this world, the amount of natural resources or the resources are there are certain constraints. So the resources are limited. So the questions comes that this world shares like around 8 billion like population. So how are we gonna distribute our resources among all, or we are gonna share our resources across every individual? So here comes the concept of economy, that how we can efficiently share the resources across the globe among people. Now, every people, if they ask for equal share on the resources of this planet, then how are we gonna reward those individuals or people who work hard and who has really contributed to the society in terms of technology, in terms of innovation? So how are we gonna support them? So all these questions are something which wrapping around the head, and the human civilization created a concept of called economy. So in this economy, you can see that all these geopolitical events and whatever is there, all these are restricted at a certain amount of natural resources, or it can be any kind of resource. So, who's gonna enjoy what percent of it? So that is something where economy comes into picture, and we use economic theories. We have central banks or institutions, and we created a structure like government, and there are institutions, and there are people. So with this efficient system where money can be used as a instance of trade, and that's how we created this concept of economy. So next time when you are listening to someone who is just shooting that great lectures on economics or anywhere, just bear in mind that economy is all about how efficiently I can allocate or distribute the limited amount of resources across my people. That's all the concept behind this term economy. And to efficiently study this field and practice this field is nothing but economics. Economics. So that's how we can understand like what these terms actually stand for. So if you like this video, if you have any other concerns or any questions, then feel free to shoot the questions in the comment section and let's discuss. And this video, it's only about economics. Next video, we will discuss some different concepts like how US economy is performing, how the US economy is performing, it's good or bad, what are the consequences, what are the considerations, and what's the impact of Federal Reserve rate cut. We can discuss all this in the upcoming video.